Where are you going?
I'd love to know.
What you doing? What you doing? You in Zitty's room. You in Zitty's room. Zitty's prayer book. Oh, Zitty's keys. Go get to Zitty. Give to Zitty.
Oh, thank you, Maria. Thank you.
Good girl.
Now she's gonna go. Oh, she can't reach the rosary wreath.
Now what are you going to get?
No. Ooh,
No, give to Zitty.
yes, this is bad.
Get to Zitty.
This is bad.
Good girl. Thank you. No, you can't have Tom's.
She wants to-
Oh, you want the rosary beads? Where's your juice?
Oh, she got the rosary wreaths now.
Okay, say bye-bye. Maria, say bye-bye.